Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few use cases for NordVPN. If you are not familiar with NordVPN, I have a separate video for that. Please check out that first. Otherwise, let's start. Well, there are a lot of times when you can use NordVPN and when it comes really handy. So I'm just going to mention a few of them I can think of and a few of them that I think are important. So the first one, which is kind of obvious, is when you want to secure a public Wi-Fi connection. For example, you are at an airport. Obviously, these Wi-Fi networks are not safe, and if you can, you should make it more secure. So these networks expose your internet traffic to potential threats, and hackers can steal personal information. If you use VPN, or in our case NordVPN, it will encrypt your internet connection and it will safeguard your data from these threats. So basically what you have to do is make sure that on your device NordVPN is installed. You can install it on your desktop or even on your mobile phone. So right now I'm on a desktop, so I'm just going to start NordVPN. I'm already logged in, but you will have to log into your own account, obviously. You need to select a server that you want to connect to. Most of the time you should select one that's closest to you. In this case, I'm just going to select one of the American server on this quick panel. And now I am connected, and now my internet traffic is secure and safe. If you click here, you can select servers in different countries. And one more thing that's worth mentioning is if you go to settings here, you can enable this kill switch option, which will disable your internet connection in case your VPN connection drops. So your data will not be exposed even for a second. If you want, you can also add different apps to this kill switch option. So if you are on a mobile phone, you can add one or more of your applications here. And if the VPN connection crashes or closes, then it will also close your apps. Okay, another example when you can use NordVPN and when it comes handy, when you want to access geo-restricted content. This can be a real headache when you are trying to access, I don't know, maybe your favorite TV shows or streaming services, and it's not available from your location. Let me just show you an example. Let me go back here and I am going to disconnect. So I'm not connected to the VPN right now. Let's go back to my browser, and I happen to know that this website is not available from my location. So if I visit this website, I get this warning that it's only for US customers and your device must physically be located in the US to stream. Okay, let's close this tab and let's go back to NordVPN and let's select one of the American server. Okay, so I am connected to an American server. Let's go back to the browser and let's try again. And now I don't receive this warning. I can access this website and I could even purchase one of their plans if I wanted to. So NordVPN can bypass these barriers and it just can give you freedom to enjoy your preferred content from anywhere in the world. Okay, another example, if you want to bypass the internet censorship with a VPN, actually it's kind of similar to what I've just shown you. I can't really demonstrate this because I'm not in a country where there is a censorship in place, but there are many parts of the world where access to websites and social media platforms like Facebook or YouTube is restricted by government policies. NordVPN offers a way to overcome these barriers. So you just need to open NordVPN, connect to a server located in a country without these internet restrictions, and then you can freely browse the internet. Another example, for journalists, researchers, or anyone who wants to research sensitive topics, for example, if you use NordVPN, it will maintain your online anonymity. It protects against surveillance and ensures the privacy of your research activities, since NordVPN can hide your IP address and location. So it kind of just offers an extra layer of protection while you are exploring topics that may attract unwanted attention. Another way to use NordVPN is for example, search engine optimization purposes. So just imagine you are an SEO specialist working for a company that plans to expand its online business to several new international markets. And before creating localized content and marketing strategies, you can check your competitors, how they are positioned in these regions. Now, of course, NordVPN is not an SEO tool. There are other more powerful SEO tools that can be used for this purpose, but you can use it to do some preliminary research in this area. So, for example, you are analyzing the market in France, then you connect to a server in France, and this will make it appear as if you are browsing from within that country. With the VPN connected to a French server, you can perform searches relevant to your business, and now you can see the Google search results as someone in France would. And obviously this allows you to accurately see where your competitors rank for key search terms in that region. And you can also check how your competitors create their content, what keywords they use, what keywords they rank for in Google. And with this information, then you can start implementing your own SEO strategy for that region. Okay, so these are just a few examples how you can use NordVPN. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.